We are in Ripley's museum in Hollywood. So people come here, you know, seeing all the strange stuff. When they were younger, they remember the TV show and seeing all, you know, these like two-headed animals and like strange exhibits. Like you'll see car parts and that'll be a transformer, you know. So there's about 34 Ripleys all over the world, and they come here expecting, you know, all the weird stuff.
3, 2, 1. Now.
Jungle room where there's 2 shrunken heads, and what people used to do, it's done now, but they would chop off their enemy's heads, peel the skin, tie it to the back, and then shrink it to the fist, and then they would wear it around their neck as a necklace to keep the bad spirits away. So that's pretty neat. I had like 2 people all the way come from Arizona and New York just to see that. Yeah, I mean, I get a lot of from Australia, France, Germany, really a lot. There's also like a lot of Brazilians as well. It's very diverse. You're in Hollywood, you know, the Hollywood Highlands, so every possible country you can think of, you know, they're always here, and it's really nice just to, you know, I always ask them, you know, like, how do you like it so far? I love hearing the accents, so it's always nice. It's really great, like, they renovated this, I believe, 2 years ago. And yeah, I mean, it's really weird, crazy stuff. My favorite stuff here is definitely the Lord of the Rings castle. It's made of 200,000 matchsticks, and it's the entire castle all built together. It's about I would say like 15 feet wide and about like 6 feet tall. So that's really neat to look at. I do know from one of my employees this is apparently haunted, maybe, possibly, because I guess when they first renovated this and she was doing a walkthrough, she heard this little boy just like laughing out of nowhere, and it was like the middle of the night. So I haven't heard anything yet, but maybe when you come here you'll hear yourself. If you're here in LA, you have the option of buying 1 museum, or you can buy 3 museums for 1 price. They can go to ripleyshollywood.com. They have the website there. 7 feet tall.